On June 30th, 1908, something extraordinary happened over the remote forests of Tunguska in Siberia, when a massive explosion flattened over 80 million trees across 830 square miles of wilderness. The blast, estimated to be 1,000 times more powerful than the Hiroshima atomic bomb, was heard hundreds of miles away and caused shock waves that circled the Earth twice, yet mysteriously left no crater behind. The most widely accepted scientific theory suggests a meteor or asteroid exploded about 5 to 10 kilometers above the Earth's surface, creating an airburst that devastated the area without leaving significant extraterrestrial material. Over decades, researchers have collected tiny mineral spheres and fragments containing exotic materials like iridium and platinum in the soil, suggesting an extraterrestrial origin for whatever caused the explosion. Alternative theories range from a small comet composed mostly of ice that would have vaporized upon impact, to more exotic explanations like a micro-black hole passing through Earth, or even Tesla's wireless energy experiments gone wrong. Despite over a century of investigation, the Tunguska event remains one of science's most enduring mysteries, continuing to draw researchers to the remote Siberian forest in search of conclusive evidence about what really happened that summer morning in 1908.